Alright, the reason we don't have any sound is because my husband was competing with the TV noise. He kept cranking it up louder and louder to get loud enough for him to hear over our voices. So I just went ahead and voiced over it. So we're cutting the tops off of our Cascabella hot peppers, which is sacrilege for me and my son. We would both prefer to have the tops on. I'm showing you here is what we believe to be an Anaheim chili pepper, and I was asking if you thought that was an Anaheim. I couldn't remember what I was growing out there. So we are cutting the tops off, and I grew up on Vlassic's and Del Monte and now Mezzetta's, and I've got a jar of Vlassic's, I think, coming up here. Then I'm just showing you what the Cascabella peppers are. A lot of people looking for Cascabellas. I was glad I found them a couple years ago and grew them. And there's my Vlassic's. They don't have slits. They don't have stems. And I guess they're cold packed. Anyway, that's it. Sorry about no sound. You're going to hear TV noise on the other ones.